water molecule.
Hi, I'm Jason. I'm here to tell you about the water molecule. The water molecule is made up of 2 hydrogen molecules and 1 oxygen molecule. To put them 2 together, you must use a procedure called covalent bonding, which is serum. When you put those 2 together, the final product looks like this. I think I made a mistake. I call those 2 individual molecules, which are atoms.
Here's Salomon with a little experiment on air pressure.
Hello, my name is Salomon, and I'm here to show you air pressure. In my hand I have 2 suction cups, and right now the pressure in and out of the suction is 14.7 pounds per square inch. Now when I press them together, the pressure outside is greater than the pressure inside, and it's very hard to take them apart. But by parting them, I can take them apart because air got in.
So ends another exciting round of experiments. Stay tuned for later in the year where we'll be getting even more complex experiments.
Hi, I'm back. This is some of the equipment we'll be using in these experiments.
That means we're...
This is a balance. It is used to determine mass.
This is a meter stick. It is used to determine length.
Good.
This is a cylinder. It's determined to determine volume.
This is a tripod. It's used to support equipment. This is a flask. It is used to contain liquids.
This is a stopper in the flask.
This is a test tube. It is used to hold materials also.
This is a ring stand. It is used to support equipment.
This is a clamp on the ring stand.
Microscope. It is used to magnify small objects.
This is a scale. It is used to determine weight. On top of the stopper, we have a dropper.
Look on top of the tripod. We have a scoopula.
We now have a weight on the balance.
This is a test. We're going to see if you can determine which object will disappear.
Goodbye to the scale.
To the scoopula.
Adios, weight. Dropper.
Stopper 2.
Wiedersehen microscope.
Au revoir, clamp.
Hasta la vista, ring stand.
By test tube.
The flask. Under.
The tripod.
The meter stick.
And last, the balance. And on with the experiments.
My name is Megan, and I'm here to tell you about the 3 basic measuring instruments. The metric systems are mass, volume, and length. This is a balance. It is used to measure mass. It uses the grams and kilograms. This is a meter stick. It is used to measure length. It uses inches, centimeters, millimeters, etc. This is a graduated cylinder, and it measures volume, and it uses cubic centimeters. Thank you.
Hello.
Hello, I'm Melanie, and I'm gonna find the density of an irregular object. Okay, the formula to find the density is density equals mass over volume. And to find the mass of this rock, I'm gonna measure it on a balance. Okay, the mass of the rock is 35.8. And to measure its volume, I have to put it in a graduated cylinder, which I have filled up. I have water in it up to 100 milliliters. Its volume is 10 milliliters. What you have to do to find the density is you divide the mass into the volume. The density of the rock is 33.58. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Destiny, and I'm going to show you the density between salt water and regular water. The density between salt water is greater because there's salt particles filling up the molecules in between the water. I'll show you with this egg. When you put the egg in regular water, it sinks to the bottom. When you put the egg in salt water, it floats. This is also the reason you float when you're swimming in the ocean.
And I'm here to explain to you inertia. Inertia is the tendency of a moving object to keep moving, an object at rest to stay at rest, unless a force is active on it. This is stated in Sir Isaac Newton's first law. I will demonstrate inertia with this vase, this hoop, and this chalk. When I move the hoop, the chalk will fall straight down into the vase. This is not because I moved the hoop, this is because another